Alright, this is the installation of the Elcon servo saver. As you can see what we've done here. You've got to make sure that that nut is not taller than the brass center. So, and it's also advisable to put some high strength Loctite on that so it doesn't wind out and bind up with your top plate. You see, there must be a gap there. Okay. If that nut touches the top plate, then it will bind up. Okay, so correct installation is to get the center post, put it in. Okay, now there's a small shim there with a 4mm hole. This is the one that sits on top of the center post. It must sit on the center post. If you use the 5mm hole, it will go over the center post and bind up. So you must use the shim on top with the 4mm hole. So that goes there. Now we've got a special shoulder screw that locates itself in one of these triple holes. Okay, sorry about that. Put the 5mm washer over the shoulder screw. Put the shoulder screw through the plate. Put our shim. And we put our servo saver on. I would tighten that up if I had a flat screwdriver. Now, put a 5mm shim at the base. Do this again. Okay, now you can put Loctite on this screw before you put it in as well, and the top screw, but if you ever remove it, make sure you heat and remove the top screw first. I guarantee you need to remove the top screw first, otherwise you'll have difficulty taking the bottom screw off. Okay, so there you go. It's nice and smooth. Tighten up. Still nice and smooth. Still nice and smooth. As you can see in there, we've got a nice gap between the nut and the top plate. The center post is solid, and the brass post, the brass outer, spins freely. Okay, that'll do.